In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back by hitting this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear from your clipboard. To do that, just hold your text and hit pin in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can hold it again and tap on delete option, or simply swipe your text to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, click on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!